Our lesson for today is about the principles of designs and colors. Principles and elements of design will greatly help you to determine the outfits good for you. First things first, you have to identify the type of your body. The personality of the wearer shows the kind of image he projects. Personalities differ depending on the kind of clothing people wear. Introvert persons prefer clothes of simple yet classical cut with pastel or light colors. Extrovert persons are creative, artistic, expressive, and energetic. They prefer clothing that is comfortable, attractive, and fashionable. They can wear all kinds of clothing of various styles, colors, and designs with confidence. In this lesson, you will be able to assess the appropriateness of design based on the client's features and read specification and apply the principles of design and color harmonies. Principles of design. Balance is the distribution of the visual weight of objects, colors, texture, and space. There are three types of balance, and these are symmetrical or the formal balance, having equal weight on equal sides. This is an easy way of balancing but leads monotony to the design. Ang symmetrical or formal balance daw ang pinakamadaling paraan ng paglalagay ng design sa damit. Katulad ng damit na ito, kung ano yung design na nasa bandang kanan ng damit, yun din ang design ng nasa kaliwa. Kung ano yung design na nasa taas, yun din ang design ng nasa baba. Ang tawag dito ay symmetrical or formal balance. Asymmetrical or informal balance. The structure, decoration, and accessories are different both sides from the center of the design. Radial. The design are at equal distance from a central point. Rhythm. These are smooth movement lines repeated again and again. It is created by repeated use of the design. If there is rhythm in a design, the eye would move easily from one part to the other. Emphasis is a strategy that aims to draw the viewer's attention to a specific design element. This is the focal point of the design. Or, this is the viewer's center of interest in the design. Every pleasing design has one part that is more interesting than any other. The center of interest. Harmony is the visually satisfying effect of combining similar or related elements. It is the blending of all components of design. When the structural lines, decorative lines, colors, and accessories all relate to each other comfortably, harmony results. Proportion refers to the relative size and scale of the various elements in a design. The pleasing relationship of all parts of the object with one another. The issue is the relationship between objects or parts of a whole. Elements of design. Number 1, line. Number 2, color. Number 1, line. creates a visual dimension of length and width. When lines meet, space is enclosed and a shape is defined. Lines direct the eye to a certain part of a vision, or it can draw the eyes away from an undesirable part of the body. Two kinds of lines in garments. Letter A, the directional lines. Letter B, structural lines. The directional lines, such as vertical, horizontal, diagonal, checkered, broken, and curved. These affect the height and size of an individual. Lines are serving as clothing designs, like the art of printing flowers, dots, and others on fabric. Structural lines are found on necklines, armholes, hemlines, darts, side seams, sleeves, collars, tucks, and pleats of garments. Number 2 on the elements of design is color. Is a radiant energy loosely termed light that produces sensation in our eyes. Color theory. The first thing you usually notice about clothes or anything is their color. Before you start studying which colors look best together, you should learn the meaning of color terms and the rules that apply to colors. This is the color wheel. It has 12 colors. These are red, red-orange, orange, yellow-orange, yellow, yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, violet, and red-violet. These are the primary colors. There are three. The first one is red. The second one is blue. And the third is yellow. Secondary colors are produced when mixing two equal amounts of primary colors. The secondary colors: orange, green, and violet or purple. Intermediate colors are produced by mixing two equal amounts of primary and secondary colors. Here are the intermediate colors. We have red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet. Pure colors are the primary, secondary, and intermediate colors because they have no white, black, and gray in them. Pure colors are also called normal, true, and basic colors. These are the pure colors. Tints. When pure colors are mixed with white, they are made lighter. These are the tints. The addition of white made the colors lighter. Shades. When pure colors are mixed with black, they are made darker. These are the shades. The addition of black in the pure colors made them darker. Grade colors. Most colors we used in clothes are grade colors rather than bright, pure colors you see on the color wheel. These are samples of grade-colored dresses. Get your activity sheet or answer sheet and look for expected output number 1, That is learning task 1 that can be found in your learning module on page 22. Here is the directions. The following are the lists of principles and elements of design. Classify whether it is a principle or an element. Draw a diamond shape if it is a principle and a heart shape if it is an element. So again, kapag principle ang nakalagay, you are going to draw a diamond. Hindi mo isusulat yung principle of design. Kapag element of design naman, magdo-drawing ka ng heart shape. Hindi mo isusulat ang element of design. Ang mga sagot dito ay drawing lamang. Again, it's either diamond or heart shape. Goodbye, class! This is your teacher, Mrs. Arlene A. Valenzuela.